Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression, which is 3 minus 3 times 3 again minus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 3 minus 3 gives us 0, and again we have here 3 minus 3, which equals 0, and 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. And here in this expression we have this subtraction, this multiplication, and this subtraction. So we first do this multiplication. 3 times 3 gives us 9. So 3 minus 9 and again minus 3. And here we work from left to right. 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. And negative 6 minus 3 gives us negative 9. So our final answer to this problem is negative 9.